Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back. For my new subscribers, welcome. For those who have been here for a while, I really appreciate you. So today I am going to be doing a grocery haul. I am going to show you what I bought for the month, and I'm also going to be cleaning my very dirty fridge. So I hope you enjoy and you get the motivation you need. So I got tissues. Everything that I got today was on offer. I got 5 liters of vinegar for cleaning. I got cling film, I got Persil for washing my clothes. I told you guys my machine doesn't need automatic washing machine detergent. I buy the ordinary one. I also got bleach, I got steel wool, I got Harpic, I got shower gel. These are the toiletries. I decided to start with them. The Zuri bar soap has been on offer for a while, so I bought a few. I also got Atta scoring powder. This scoring powder, according to me, it's the best. I got Kiwi, I got Aramis, and I got Super Brights. These are all the toiletries that I got. Now I'm going to move to the food items that I bought. I got cereals. These ones are on offer. I've never tried them. I got soda, got digestives, got smokies, coffee on offer too. Serviettes. For serviettes, I don't compromise. If I can't afford the premium quality, I just don't buy. I got oats. I love oats for breakfast. I got a few packets of milk. These ones were on offer. I think 45 shillings each, and I got the Dairy Best one. It's my favorite, but the Daima was on offer, so I decided to buy. I also got some snacks. Those are Skittles. I got soy sauce. This one is great for pork. I got noodles. These ones are nice, especially for the weekend. They are a quick fix during lunchtime. I got mayo. This is the best mayo according to me. I got tea leaves. I also got some spices. For spices, I don't have a specific brand that I buy, except for the pilau masala. The pilau masala I buy called, you'll say that is garlic, that is ginger, and then that is the pilau masala I'm talking about. This is the best pilau masala. And then I got chili. This is cayenne pepper. I got drinking chocolate. This was an offer too. I've never tried that brand. Got toothpaste, buy one get one. With this economy, we have to buy things that are on offer. Actually, the offers are the ones that make me go to the supermarket for shopping. I got chocolate, I got salt, and I got Afia. I also got ugali flour. This is dollar. I think it was around 160 shillings. That is a very good price. I got two, and I got eggs all purpose. It was also on offer. I did my shopping in Quickmart. I will show you at the end of this video how much I saved. So I got a few snacks. There's the drinking chocolate. I got Oreo. This is my favorite, my son's favorite. I also got some crepes. As you'll see, I like the barbecue. He likes the tomato. I got coconut cream. I got tomato paste, the 2 packets. I got yogurt. I got 2 vanilla, Daima vanilla yogurt, and I got cowboy for chapatis. That is the real deal. I got mincemeat for supper, and this is how much I saved. So take advantage. I saved 1,300 shillings. So take advantage of the offers, guys. I think it's still running. Here are a few groceries that I got also. I got pixies, I got spring onions, I got dania, and I got red onions. The red onions are really expensive, but I got at 10 bob each, so I bought 10 at 100. Tomatoes are in plenty. These ones were tomatoes for I think 50 shillings. I got dania. I like the traditional, no, garlic. I like the traditional garlic, and I like ginger. I got hoho. I got carrots. I got some courgettes. Cabbages are in plenty. I got two pieces. I got lemons and peas, and finally I bought kienyeji veggies. So I am also going to show you a few cereals that I bought from the market. I got beans. These beans I got at 110 per kg. And the njahe, I've really missed njahe, so I got njahe at 140 shillings for a kg. So let's go and clean that fridge. It is really filthy. I hope you won't judge me, but I hope it motivates you to clean as well. So enjoy, guys.
On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought
I have removed everything from the fridge. I am going to use liquid soap, and I am going to rinse with warm water and vinegar. I am using a microfiber cloth. As you can see, the fridge is really dirty, so I am using a microfiber cloth to go in there and clean everything. So as you can see, it's doing a great job. So I am going to do this for the first round, and then I am going to put clean water, as you can see, and vinegar, and then I am going to rinse everything. For the freezer, it still has a few things inside, so I am going to wipe it really fast and put everything back. For the parts, for the things that I've removed, the fridge dividers or organizers, I don't know how they are called, I am going to wash them with the liquid soap as well, and then rinse them with vinegar and some water. I have never removed this part since I bought this fridge, so I have done it today because it is a deep clean. I want my fridge to be really clean so that I can relax for a few days before I can clean it again. The cycle of cleaning never ends, guys. You just clean today and then you have to redo it tomorrow or in a few days.
Beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close, baby. I'm just a beautiful ghost. Ooh. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so
finished washing everything. Everything is clean and rinsed, so I don't have time to wait for everything to air dry. So I'm going to wipe them and then arrange them back and put everything back in the fridge.
Try so hard to find my peace of mind. If loving you's a crime, I think I'm almost wanted. And as the days go by, I know I'm running out of time. Just wanna find some peace of mind. Just gotta find some peace of mind.
Your love feels like a drug I can't get over in this moment. And my mind been like the ocean, you've been floating while I focus on just trying to swim away. A new escape is what I long for. A lost boy in the out world, just trying to march forward. Soldier hearted in a war I started, disregarding all the butterflies I felt up in my stomach. Knew the time was coming for me to find my peace of mind. Don't let the soul leave. I proceed to take a leap of faith in hopes I grow wings. Like catch the breeze, a sweet release. I like the J to take this weight up off my knees. And I'm feeling freer than a bird outside the pigeon coop. To tell the truth, I don't know if this love is mutual.
Try so hard to find my peace of mind. If loving you's a crime, I think I'm almost wanted. And as the days go by, I know I'm running out of time. Just wanna find some peace of mind. Just gotta find some peace of mind.
This is where I arrange everything, all the veggies, the tomatoes, the maize, and the carrots, ginger, everything I put in here. So I'm going to line it with a paper towel, and then I'm going to wipe the tomatoes. I used to wash my tomatoes before, but I learned that if you just wipe them after you've bought them, wipe them and put them in this bin, they will stay fresh for longer, and it is true. So this is what I do nowadays. I don't wash them, I buy them and then I store them in this bin. So I'm going to wipe all of them and put them in here. I am also going to show you how I store the green peppers and the carrots. I'm just going to use Ziploc bags. I'm going to put everything in Ziploc bags, the carrots and the ginger and the hoho. These are my carrots. I'm going to put them in this Ziploc bag, close it really tight, and they stay fresh for a very long time. I'm going to do the same with the green peppers, and if I had colored peppers, I would have stored them the same way. I am also going to store the maize in there. Of course, this won't stay there for long. I'm going to cook them maybe tomorrow or the day after. As for the sausages and the smokies, I just divide them maybe into 4 or into 2, and then cover them with cling film and store them in one Ziploc bag, as you see ahead. For the peas, I store them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the fridge.
Been up since sunrise, trying to find a way to fix the bridges that would burn anyway. The night is foggy like a broken LA. My flat is haunted by the sound of your name. My feet are numb and I got nothing to say. Should I feel guilty that I'm doing okay? Went from 120 foot on the brake. I wish you well, Now I'll go get some rest. See you later, babe. I'm so thankful for the mess we made. I am glad that I didn't stay. If you could see me now, I'd give you a hug. That day in London was the end and the start of me as mine, and I am so proud of that. I wished you well, then I found myself. See you later, babe. I'm so thankful that
That is how everything turned out. I don't have a formula of how I arrange the fridge part, the bottom part of my fridge. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.